Students, you're watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to solve two linear simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. So our given equations in this question are, the first one is 2x plus y. (2x+y) is equal to -3. This is the first one. And x minus y is equal to -3 again. This is our equation number 2. To start with, we add y on both sides of equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to -3. When we add y on both sides, we get x minus y plus y is equal to y minus 3. Plus y cancels with negative y. So x is equal to y minus 3. We substitute this value of x in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 2x plus y is equal to -3. Now we substitute the value of x here, which is y minus 3. Now we solve this equation for the value of y. 2 into y is 2y, 2 into -3 is -6, plus y is equal to -3. 3y is equal to 2y plus y is 3y, and -6, when it goes on the other side, it will become +6. So 3y is equal to 3. So dividing both sides by 3, we get y is equal to 1. Now by substituting y is equal to 1 in equation number 2, we get, what is our equation number 2? It is x minus y is equal to -3. The value of y here is 1, so we will write x minus 1 is equal to -3. Now we add 1 on both sides. -1 cancels with +1. So x comes out to be -2. So our solution set in this case is equal to x is -2 and y is 1, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, please take care and bye.